Welcome to my course on secrets on how to develop resilience. I'm here to help you to systematically walk through a process to help you not give up and to thrive in anything that you'd like to do. I'd like to start by sharing a personal story about my own resilience. In the last few years, I had built and exited one of the many startup companies I developed. And throughout my career, I've been successful in raising the funding that I needed to scale and grow many of the businesses that I needed to do. However, in my last scenario, that wasn't the case. I spent about 2.5 years talking to 218 investors who didn't put a penny. I got no after no after no, and you can imagine how frustrating that was. However, in 15 days, I actually sold the company. What happened is one single private fund had grown in interest to look at actual acquisition rather than putting money into the business. So what's the story of resilience here? If I had given up by talking to the 3rd, 5th, 10th, even 100th investor, I would have never got to a point where I turned that final rock that resulted in 15 days the acquisition of my company. My point to you, and I know this is just a business example, there are several personal examples that I have experienced myself as well, where at the core of it is if you don't have resilience, you cannot get to those final goals. So I'm going to help you through my own process to systematically, step by step, how to actually not give up and thrive in any goal that you want to do. And the secret behind it is not just this 7-step process I'm going to show you, it's mastering the pivot. Mastering the pivot is your ability to become not just resilient, but extremely dynamic in scenarios where you can tap into massive opportunities on your way to your actual goal. Sometimes on our way to our actual goal, we actually will discover or come across something even better than what we were originally looking for. And sometimes we don't even understand or see that. I always tell my clients and people that I coach that typically, we've been conditioned to believe that the best opportunities are the ones we see in front of our eyes. But that is not the case. The best opportunities are the ones right under your nose, the ones that you can smell. So we're accustomed to looking for opportunities, but we're not smelling for those opportunities. So welcome to my course, and I'm going to help you step by step so I can help you not give up and thrive towards any goal that you plan to achieve. Welcome to the Secrets of Building Resilience with Nader Sabry.